Good morning, good morning, and everybody. Today in Munich, Germany. Odo easy. Now, okay, Flia. Trying to go out. I'm up as a Will I go out? Trying to go out. Will I? Will I go out? Should I go out? Should I come in? Now, the weather. Let me clean the glasses a little bit. It's not easy, yo. It's not easy. Okay, now. If we are in the heaven, have you? But we are not in the heaven. This is Munich, Germany. It is well. The weather is so cold. So cold. Today is so now. Please like us and follow us. That is, we are trying to do our best. There's no problem. We are trying to do our best. Since I will go inside again. You want to go? Since I will go inside again. Since I will go inside again. Since I will go inside again. The weather is so bad. Huh? The weather is so bad. What is falling on? That bridge are falling down. And that bridge are falling down. My dear labor. The weather is so bad. Let me just move around. Take people around and know how the weather it is. Everywhere is like heaven on earth. Do you see it? Everywhere. Okay. Oh yes. That me going. Okay. Now. Hi. Now if good. Do you see? Please. Europe is very nice. Come. All of you come. The weather is okay. Lovely weather. Today is another new day. Another new day. The day of joy. Today is another new day. Another new day. The day of joy. Now Africa weather. I will go inside. There's no need. No need. Can buy another hot drink. Take your hot drink. Very nice hot drink. You got to go? Yes. Since I will go inside. Yes. Nah. If just to do contest. Let go. Do you see it? It's like a heaven. It is like a heaven. The day of joy. It is like a heaven. Today is Let me go and sleep. Should I go and sleep? Let me go and sleep. Today weather is not good. Let me go and sleep. The weather is today's weather. Yes. The weather is not good one at all. But there's nothing. This is Cannibal. People that want to go to Cannibal. Hey. Na Europe, mana in this kind of cold. I should go back. Let me go have a rest. Let I go. Please like us and follow us. Like, yeah, say like. You must like us. You must like us. If okay for anybody, do you see anybody close to Today is another wonderful day. Yes. Please like us, follow us. Okay, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, okay? Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh. Ma anọta Nigeria na-eri the money. Ọ na-afụkwanụ ka o si adọ. Please like and share. Have a nice day.